Here in Sohra, one gentleman stopped me on the roadside and gave me 2 buns and just said to me that God bless you and bye. One is for me and one is for my dog. Long ride, so feels good, this kind of treat. If you ever see this video, thank you very much for the buns. I have never seen that somebody put football on their roof. Welcome to Sohra town. You're fine. This school is named Red School. Students are on the red. I just name it for Red School. I just arrived here in the town and what I see. Pareng only. Pareng only. Let me go talk with that one. Hello brother, you need change or what? Yeah. You need change? For how much? 500? Let me check it out. I think I should have. Nice to meet you, Eli. From where are you? From
Australia.
Australia? Yeah. Okay, I'm from Finland.
Finland.
Nice to meet you, brother. Nice to meet you. God bless you. God bless you. You can see many viewpoints. Eco Park, Maus Mai Cave, Nong Shing Tang Falls, Hang Harang Park, Koh Raham Ormot Trop, Kundrem Falls. Very beautiful. Living Root Bridge. I have never visited Living Root Bridge, but unfortunately I don't have time for that. How much time Living Root Bridge from here?
Living Root.
Yeah, Living Root.
Station.
Yes, Living Root Bridge. How?
30 minutes. You just say?
30 minutes only. Oh.
Station.
Oh, like that.
Kali station.
Ah.
And you drop. Ideal to.
Oh, you need to walk in there. Down.
Down.
Like that. Here is I think this is the main point here. Let me also sit down here in the main point. Like that. So now I also have visit in the main point of Sohra town. Or is it Sohra village? You can drive also around like that if you want. Go play now. Go play. Hello. Shayo, like that. I wonder where is the Shayo. Shayo also there. I wonder where is the Shayo here in Oiba. Shayo. Shano.
That means bazaar.
Bazaar, yes.
Market.
In market. Where is? Opposite here, that side. Oh, yeah. Is it far away?
No.
Not far. But today is not market day.
No. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday. Is it every Wednesday or?
Not changing.
Oh, changing. Okay, this week Wednesday, next week Thursday. Oh, yes. This is I could say that it's a size of like a smith. Hello. You live here? You live here?
Yes.
How is Sohra?
Very good.
Very good. That's what.
Listen.
And looks like that. People are nice here. Here in India also we do this hand language. And then head. Actually here in Meghalaya we don't do like this, but we do like that. At least I do like that, and I think I have learned it here in Meghalaya only. Here is some bamboo works. Ka jingham ympit pan kren sanglane. Idi kytiad hanekane ka yaka yen kali. Ympit pan ia kali pad bread Jabo hakane. Kayaka ienkali pitkäne ienkali miet. Hange palat. Jaka por 9 p.m. Kino kino kiba pyn kein nele pyrsahkin habha hakuna pad chingpu hitom. Comment below. Did it went right or what? Oiba, festival.
Yeah.
Festival. Which festival?
Expo.
Expo festival here. Oh, when?
15.
15? Oh, to. Oh, it's gonna be a festival here. Workers are working more. Like that. Welcome to the festival then, 15. Hello. Wow, what a car. Sounds like a Ferrari. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Okay, all good. How, you live here in Sohra?
Yeah.
How is Sohra? It's
Very
good.
good, yeah.
Very good. Everybody say very good.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, eh?
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. And people speak English also here. Like if all around Meghalaya, people speak English. Come now. Bien. Everything good?
Few more
Yes.
like for you.
Oh, you have like?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Appreciate.
You speak English, I little.
Also me little. You little, me little. No problem. Oh. Many tourists here.
Oh, you are yes, Nongpo.
Nompo, yes. You Nompo also?
Yeah.
Oh, you are Nompo?
No, me Umsning.
Umsning. Oh, near to Nompo.
Yes.
Nah. And you
Here only.
here only?
Yeah.
Like we say here in India only, nah? Here only, ma? Like that. Okay, what is in this side?
Out there you will get this one. You will see this oldest church.
Oldest church?
Yeah.
Oldest church
In
of
Northeast.
in Northeast?
Yeah.
Like that? Ah.
You will see this school of mission also is there.
Ah.
Where
When I go this side, then it's in left side.
left side. Yes.
Oh, like that. Oldest church in. Hello. Oldest church in Northeast.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta visit. Good play. Come on. Okay, bye now. Bye. Oh, let's go check it out there. Oldest church here in Sohra. Oh, good play.
Where from?
Good play. I'm from Finland. Finland. Yes. Sohra, you are in Sohra? Oh, okay. Sohra is good. Very good. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Welcome. Kublai mo. Kublai na. You are from Sohra. Sohra is good.
Yes.
Sohra is good. Sindur. Sorry, not Sindur, Sondur. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you mo. Bye.
Bye.
Come nè. Biang, come nè. To. Hello.
Hi, my name is Adori. Would you like a drink or anything? That's my cafe right there.
Oh, let's have a coffee then there.
Yeah.
Why
sure.
not? Come no, Biang. Kublai. Kublai mo. Kublai mo. Shano. Hane. That's what. Hane only. Hane. Okay mo. Bye. So this is your sister's cafe.
Yeah.
Mo. All right. Let's check it out. Hello. How are you? All good. Hello guys. Hello. Kublai mo. Oh, nice.
This is
Wow.
my sister right here.
Oh, hello sister. How are you? All good? Okay. Yes, thank you. Upstairs. Okay. Upstairs.
We just started our cafe also.
You have just started.
Yeah, just started.
When you have started?
It's been like 2 months now.
1 month.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Nice place, a nice location also. Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Wow. Yes. And it's a good spot.
Okay, sure.
This is very good spot and beautiful views. Okay, this is your menu. So okay, on you. Wow. Nice people here in Sohra. Okay, may I try that one then? Pulled pork burger. May I have one cappuccino then? Okay, cappuccino and then the burger. That's fine. Very beautiful view. Wow. Nice. Let's try the cappuccino here in this restaurant. Cheers. Yeah, it's nice. Nice one. Nice, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Nice, thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much
very
for
much.
visiting us.
Yes, thank you very much. I pray for success in your place, you know, and I already said to her that she had courage. I don't know what you have talked here before, but she had courage to come and catch me on the street and ask for the coffee. So in a business you need that one. If you want to be a successful, you need to have a courage and boldness. And great customer service also, great food, great location. So all the blessings on your shop. Mo. Yes, thank you very much. Mo. Okay, God bless you. Nah. I will continue my journey. Yes, thank you very much. Bye, 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 bye. Ever want to have some coffee, burgers? There is pastas also. Find it only here. I think we have reached. And we have reached. Hello. How are you, boss? You're good. Shano.
Yeah,
Shaying. Everything is good. Kamanishka. Okay. To Mo. Okay. Mo. Bye. Bye. Guys, here is the oldest church in Northeast India. Established 1846. The sanctuary of the Welsh mission on these hills. 1841 and 1941. Thomas Jones, the first missionary, arrived at Kerala 22nd of June 1841. You have seen in YouTube. Did you like? Good play. Where you stay? In Sohra? You stay in Sohra? Portugal? You like Ronaldo? How the Ronaldo do? How we do? Soo! Like that. Hello. Thank you very much for joining in this Sohra trip. What I could say. Today I saw one of the most beautiful waterfalls what I have seen. That's what I can say. Very beautiful people also. I got treated with the burgers and coffees, and also I got treated with the buns. What I could say. Beautiful people. Sohra is a beautiful place, beautiful people. God bless you all. See you in the next episode. When, where, what? I don't know, but God bless you. Bye.